very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners and welcome to the European Rundown for today, Thursday the 14th of July. The overnight big headline story was that of Moody's, who placed the US AAA sovereign rating on review for a potential downgrade. We did see dollar-denominated assets get hit quite hard overnight in Asian trading hours. However, as the session progressed and into this European morning, much of the moves have been retraced. Most analysts have put this down to the fact that Moody's back on June 2nd did say that they would conduct this review if negotiations on the debt ceiling hadn't pushed through any further, and as that seems the case, with press reports that Obama had walked out on the latest talks yesterday evening on the looming August 2nd deadline, means that it was largely as expected there from the rating agency. Elsewhere though, in terms of the European morning, still some jitters in the market surrounding Italy and their Italian economy and budget measures which are being voted upon in the Senate today. Most analysts expected it to go through the upper house today and the lower tomorrow without any real issues. However, it was BTP supply which really gained much of the attention, where bids and covers were pretty solid overall, the 5, 6 and 15 year going through pretty comfortably on the demand side. However, the yields did show a sharp increase, and since those results have come out, we've seen a little softening in the euro, with the Bund catching a slight bid as the Italian-German 10-year bond yield spread has moved back out to its widest levels. Elsewhere then, in terms of the forthcoming European stress tests, a couple of other Spanish press articles suggesting a further 5 savings banks may have failed the stress test. However, this is a pretty similar number to what we heard from Newsflow earlier in the week. And in terms of the next EU summit meeting, latest press coverage out of France would suggest that we won't have anything tomorrow, that it could be until Monday, with some reports suggesting in the Irish Times that Angela Merkel was unhappy to meet with other European officials until they can have a definitive programme on a second bailout for Greece. Looking forward then in terms of the rest of the US session, we'll have the weekly jobs numbers, also PPI and advanced retail sales reports, and then for the US Treasury they'll wrap up their issuance for the week, coming to the market in a 30-year note auction. That concludes the opening wrap from me here in London, where I'll have another update for you, the cash equity close, but for the time being, enjoy your trading day.